Mga ka-art lover, naalala nyo ba ang scheduled fight ni Mike Tyson at ni Jake Paul, isang YouTube vlogger boxer? Dapat ay mangyari ito ngayong July 20 pero kinansel. Narinig natin kinansel mismo ni Jake Paul ang fight na ito kasi siya ay natatakot na mabugbog at matalo ni Mike Tyson na isang matanda. Kaya ito si Paul Megdat Joe Rogan sa kanyang komento at sa kanilang pag-uusap ni Mike Tyson kung ano ang nangyari. Anong nangyari? Bakit mayroong viral video na nabalian ng tadyang or broken ribs itong si Jake Paul?
Check this out, and it's you. And I remember looking at it going, oh, what happened? What happened?
Hey, let's talk about that too. Brother-in-law said, hey Mike, man, I know you're not going to win, but somebody said, would you fight this guy for like 40 million or 30 million?
You ripped into the body and throwing those hooks. I was like, this is a man who's preparing to go to combat.
That was 30 seconds.
Totoo nga kaya ito na mayroong sparring na nagaganap between Jake Paul and Mike Tyson at nabalian ng ribs ng tadyang itong si Jake Paul. Kaya ito ang paramedics dumating ngayon para kunin si Jake Paul na eto makikita natin dito na nahirapang huminga.
You call paramedic?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Eto siya.
Where's the first yeah.
All right,
You got
solar
ice on your
plexus.
chest?
You know where you are?
Yeah, California.
What city are you in?
Yo, paramedic.
Yeah.
Mike Tyson just clowned Jake Paul in the most hilarious way possible after knocking him out cold in sparring.
Ayan.
And get this, Tyson broke his own record. Remember that 3-second KO of Marvis Frazier? Well, Jake Paul was down and out in 2 seconds.
2
And he ended up
seconds
with a
lang, oh.
broken rib. Brutal, right? This wasn't just for kicks, though. Tyson did this to teach Jake a lesson after he announced he was canceling their fight. Now, Tyson could have gone all legal on Jake for canceling without his say-so, but come on, Tyson's not wasting his time on a loudmouth like Jake.
Ito kasi ang mahirap sa kay Jake Paul kasi nang makita ni Jake Paul na medyo lumakas na si Mike Tyson at magaganda talaga ang mga techniques nito at mga galaw ay nag-umpisa ng matakot itong si Jake Paul kaya kinansila niya ang malaking fight yun. Netflix ang producer ng fight na yun at napakalaking fight of the century sana ang mangyayari between young boxer and old Mike Tyson. Maraming nag-speculate na matuloy ngayong July 20 pero biglang kinansel ni Jake Paul. Instead, kumuha na naman siya ng pwedeng talunin niya. Kaya galit na galit daw si Mike Tyson at sinugod at nag-sparring sila at 2 seconds lamang ang nangyari at balik kaagad ang ribs. Broken ribs kaagad ang inabot ni Jake Paul. Kaya yun yung video na atin napakita kanina.
He knew this kid was a one-punch-and-done type, so why blow money on a full fight and an audience for a 2-second joke? So, if you haven't been living under a rock since May 2024, you probably caught wind of the whole drama with Mike Tyson and Jake Paul. But hey, just in case you missed the insider scoop, let's break it down so you won't have an ounce of sympathy for Jake's broken rib. On June 20th, he posted a video of himself sparring with the caption, "Never stop, never settle." And it blew up. Over 2 million views. Thousands of comments cheering him on. Then came June 25th. Jake made a bold move. He officially canceled the fight with Tyson and announced a new
Ayan.
opponent, Mike Perry. The boxing world was shook.
Ayan, shock nga tayo. Kahit nga ako, hinihintay ko na yon. Malapit na sana July 20, makikita natin kung paano pabagsakin ni Mike Tyson itong hambugirong batang boksingero na milyonaryong YouTuber na si Jake Paul. Sayang, ang tagal nag-ehersisyo at nag-training nitong si Mike Tyson para ibalik ang kanyang lupit sa boxing pero bigla na lamang umatras ang kalaban. Kaya hindi na pumunta si Mike Tyson sa legal na paraan kundi pinuntahan daw doon sa gym mismo si Jake Paul at ayun, hinamon ng sparring. At yun ang nangyari, 2 seconds lang, bagsak, bali ang mga ribs. Totoo kaya ito? Kasi ito'y kumakalat sa YouTube, ang video na ito na binalian ni Mike Tyson si Jake Paul. Na 2 seconds ang nangyari, 2 seconds fight lang, ang bilis. Kaya sana ay hindi ito totoo at hindi rin totoo na kansilado na ang fight para tuloy nating mapanood ngayong July 20 ang kanilang mega fight, Tyson versus Jake Paul.
Jake's video release read,
Yeah, the news is true, folks. I, Jake Paul, will be fighting Mike Perry, Tampa, Florida, July 20th.
Ayan, instead na Mike Tyson, Mike Perry na yung kalaban niya, isang MMA fighter yan, noon si Mike Perry. Kaya namimili lang talaga ng ng kalaban itong si Jake Paul na kaya niya. At dahil doon kay Tyson ay medyo siguradong talo siya, ay iniwasan niya. At kumuha lang siya ng malaking publicity dahil Mike Tyson nga. Kaya sayang na sayang talaga yung fight na yun. Dapat ay merong penalty itong si Jake Paul dahil sa pag-atras niya.
it was a masterstroke. Then, in a flash, Tyson closed the gap. His speed and precision were mind-blowing.
Ito yung kwento kung paano pinabagsak ni Mike Tyson si Jake Paul. Atin pakinggan.
He unleashed a flurry of punches. Jake managed to block the first few, but Tyson's relentless pressure was too much. With a perfectly timed right hook, Tyson broke through Jake's defenses, landing a brutal punch to his ribcage. The impact was immediate.
Ayan,
Jake crumpled to the canvas, gasping for breath. The gym fell silent again.
yan ang resulta hospital. Dahil sa suntok ni Mike Tyson, 59 years old, malakas pa rin kasi nagtitraining at hindi lang yan, one of the best noong kapanahonan niya. Yan ang the monster na totoo. Si Mike Tyson, the destroyer ang tawag dyan sa heavyweight. Kaya sa kanilang fight, mas malaki kasi si Mike Tyson dito. Mas matangkad, malaki, mabigat. Kaya siguradong talo itong si Jake Paul. Kaya yan, nagdadrama na naman. Na ospital siya para talagang kansilado ang fight na yun.
Everyone processing what just happened. The punch had broken several of Jake's ribs.
Ito,
The sparring session, which barely lasted 2 seconds, was over as quickly as it began.
ayan, 2 seconds lang talaga
Somebody call paramedic? Yeah. Yeah? Where's
Ito yan
Yo, paramedic.
Yeah.
Medical staff rushed to Jake's side while Tyson stood back, a mix of concern and focus on his face. Jake was carefully moved out of the ring, writhing in pain. The incident exploded on social media and news outlets with videos and reports going viral.
Ayan, totoo yan. Buti nga diyan kay Jake Paul kasi napakahambog naman yan. Wala palang binatbat at bahaga ang buntot o matras. Taripas ng takbo. Kaya kawawa tuloy si Mike Tyson. Sobrang pagod sa training tapos ganyan lang. Iniwan sa ere. Kinansel ang schedule fight. Ano kayang mangyari dito? Baka merong hablaan, no? Kasi pwedeng ihahabla itong si Jake Paul ng pag-atras niya sa merong kontrata yun eh. Kapag kinansila mo yung kontrata, hindi pwede yun. Kasi contract is absolute. Kaya merong babayaran ito si Jake Paul kay Tyson at sa promotion. Kasi naka-schedule na siya. Alright, so kung ano man ang totoo sa balitang ito tungkol kay Jake Paul at Mike Tyson sa nangyayaring ito, ay sana ay walang taong masyadong nasasaktan at sana ay nasa mabuting kalagayan na ngayon itong si Jake Paul. Hanggang sa muli mga ka-art lover, ako'y magpaalam na. Maraming salamat.